Hi, hello, this is School Engineer and I welcome you all to the first video of my YouTube course on Google Bard. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Google Bard, how it works, and what you will be learning in this course. Before we dive into Google Bard and get our hands dirty, let us see what is Google Bard and how does it work. Google Bard is a large language model from Google AI. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It works on a technique called deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. As it is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, it allows to learn the patterns of human language and code. You can think of it as a person who has been trained with a massive dataset of text and code with which you can interact as how you interact with a person, and it will be able to answer or provide solutions to all your queries in a very concise and informative way. In this course, I'll be teaching you how to use Google Bard for productivity, which will help you in writing, in translating the text, in generating creative content for blogs, websites, ebooks, and so on. We will see how we can write code using Google Bard, and also we will see how we can answer questions with Google Bard effectively. In the future videos, I'll be teaching you how to use Google Bard for business, which will help you understand the product design, how to market, how to provide customer service, how to research and innovate with Google Bard. Also, I'll be sharing very useful and informative insights which will help you get started with your online business and make some money out of it. In the future videos, I'll be teaching you advanced Google Bard techniques which will enhance your search results, which will help you in exploring different ideas with draft variations. You can use voice prompt in Google Bard. I'll be teaching you how to use AI tools, plugins such as Midjourney, ChatGPT, GPT-4, and so on to enhance the productivity. Also, I'll be sharing tips and tricks for using Google Bard effectively. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with Google Bard. On Google, search for Bard, visit the first link. You are supposed to sign in. Click sign in. It will ask you to select the Gmail account through which you want to log in. Select the account through which you want to access Bard. Enter the password. Click next. And now we have successfully logged in into Bard. This is the interface of Bard. In the bottom you can see there is an input field where you are supposed to enter the prompt. More about prompt I will be discussing in the next video. Yeah, so this is how you access Bard. In our upcoming video, I will be teaching you what are prompts, why we need prompts, and how to use prompts effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe and bell icon for more insightful content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, stay inspired and keep learning. Bye.